This 20 volts max cordless kit includes a 7 inches cordless rotary polisher, two 20 volts max 5.0 Ah batteries, charger, and kit bag. The high-efficiency brushless motor of the car polisher delivers up to 75% more runtime over brush, a no-load speed of 800 to 2,200 RPM with the variable speed trigger and dial allows for application on cars, headlights, windshields, fiberglass, gel coat, and for glass polishing applications. The included 7 inches backing plate is recommended for most applications. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. The brushless motor of the car polisher is made for efficient performance and runtime. Number 2. Cordless variable speed polisher doesn't scratch paint, gives freedom to roam, and makes off-site jobs easier. Number 3. The sideways battery pack of the DEWALT polisher allows for better ergonomics. Number 4. Rubber gear case over mold reduces surface imperfections and improves the gripping surface. Number 5. Can be held via the front grip or side handle. Number 6. No load speed of 800 to 2,200 RPM for all types of applications. Number 7. Variable speed on the trigger and dial helps to better control the tool during every step of the application. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.